Hello friends, welcome to Cool IT Help. In this tutorial session, we will see how to create a screen recording in Windows 11. So Windows 11, we can do this thing with the help of snipping tool. Let me show you. So first we need to go to the search and here we need to type the snipping tool. Once you type, just launch the snipping tool app. And then you will see this kind of a small window and with some controls. So come here at this video icon. You have to simply click on it and then you have to click on the new button. Once you click on the new button, you will see this kind of option. Here you need to select the portion of the screen, or you can select the complete screen for recording. After making the selection, you can simply go ahead and press the start button and the screen recording will start. Here I'm performing some activities, so I want to record a few actions. So I'm simply going inside my computer, this C drive. Then I will show you the output and what kind of the recording resolution is there by default, which is set. So I am doing few activities and then I will show you the output recorded videos. Okay guys, so once you click on the close, so this way you will see your output here on the fly, and you can preview here inside the snipping tool. And now we will see, now here we can see the output is very nice and the resolution is also good. There is no flaw the recording of the screen with the help of this tool. Okay, so this was the recording, and now what exactly we need to do, we need to save this recording because this is on the temporary file this time. So the preview you are seeing, this is the temporary mode, and you need to save your preview as a file. So you will get your screen recording file finally. So I have just saved it by providing a useful name to my screen recording. That's great. Okay, now file is saved here. Now let me launch this file. So guys, this is the output of the recorded video. So this time I'm running this thing inside the media player, and which looks very nice. So this is all about the video recording process in Windows 11. I hope you guys found this tutorial relevant and useful. Please hit the like button and please subscribe to learn more. And for now, thanks for watching Cool IT Help.